channel, the Tiara Aura. I'm Aditi, and here on this channel, we're always creating some amazing good vibes. So recently, me and Princey, we visited a family friend's organic farm and we picked out a lot of vegetables here. I'll put some pictures. And we also picked out a lot of tomatoes. As you can see, they are like really yummy organic tomatoes. So what do we do when we have an abundance of tomatoes? We make marinara sauce. So today's video is going to be a recipe for marinara sauce, but this has a little bit of twist as I'm going to add some Indian spices to it and make it a little bit Indianized. This recipe is really yummy and it has a lot of uses. So without any delay, let's see how to make this marinara sauce recipe with a twist of some Indian spices. Let's start.
To begin this recipe for the sauce, I have taken 15 medium-sized tomatoes. This will make one medium pot of tomato sauce. You can store this in the fridge and also freeze it if you wish to use it later on. For the next step, I have chopped up all the tomatoes into cubes. You don't have to be very precise while chopping it because we are anyways going to blend all of them in a blender and make a paste. So here I'm blending up the tomatoes into a fine and smooth paste. I have got this paste which I'm going to use for the sauce. So next, for the quantity of 15 tomatoes, I have taken 4 buds of garlic and then I have peeled all of them and diced them finely for using it in the sauce. The next ingredient is onion. I have also taken 4 onions for 15 tomatoes. I have peeled up all the onions and then I have chopped them up finely as well. For the sauce, I am using olive oil to keep it plant-based. If you want, you can also use butter. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan and I'm heating it up. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of oregano seeds and make them pop. Next, I'm adding all the finely chopped garlic cloves to this oil, and also I'm adding the finely chopped onion to the pan. After this, I'm going to fry it up nicely until it's golden brown and it releases its aroma into the air. Once the garlic and onion has roasted and has turned into a nice golden brown color, the next ingredient I'm going to add is the tomato paste that I had made previously. I'm going to add it to the pan and I'm going to mix all of this well together. Next, I'm going to start adding the seasonings to the sauce. So first I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. After that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. The next spice that I'm adding is 1 teaspoon of cumin coriander powder. After that, to sweeten it a little bit, I'm adding 4 spoons of jaggery powder to this. You can also use sugar if you want to use any other sweetener. You can use that too, or you can skip it as well. After that, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to enhance the color of the sauce. After that, I'm adding half a teaspoon of chaat masala. After adding all the seasoning and spices, I'm going to simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes or until the consistency thickens a little bit. After turning off the heat, I'm going to finish it up with some dried basil and dried oregano. You can also use fresh Italian herbs if you have them available. I will be using this dried herbs from Food Library, which I have ordered from Amazon. They are really good quality and nice and fragrant. If you wish to order them, I will leave the link in the description box so you can order it from there and use it in your cooking. I'm adding 1 spoon of dried oregano and dried basil to the sauce. Then I'm going to mix in these herbs into the sauce, and after that the sauce is ready. You can keep it in the fridge for up to a week, and you can also freeze it for a long time and use it according to when you want. You can use this sauce for pastas, pizzas, for sandwiches, and also you can use it as a dipping sauce. This is really easy and healthy recipe for homemade tomato sauce, so do give it a try.
I hope you all enjoyed this video and you liked the recipe. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments how do you like it. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like what I created with these tomatoes. Also share this video with everybody who likes to cook and enjoy yummy food. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And until my next video, don't forget to put on your tiaras and keep creating good vibes in this world. Peace and a lot of love to you. Thank you for watching and bye bye.